All right, here's what I've been working on. Trying to find a good camera blocker for the flock cameras and the speed cameras. And I've come up with a couple different variations so you can make it yourself, depending on what state you live in, depending on what laws you have to abide by, or what chances you want to risk. In my experience, if a cop wants to hassle you for something, he's going to hassle you. If he's going to give you a ticket, he's going to give you a ticket no matter what you're doing, whether it's legal or not legal. So here's some things that I've come up with. So depending on how far you want to take it, I've got these tinted screens, and I hit it randomly with some satin clear coat, which lets the light reflect off of it and obscures some of it, or you can spray paint the whole thing. I'm just experimenting here, and this one's got a light tint to it to begin with. Now this one is a clear one, and it's got this piece of magnifying plastic behind it glued in, and what that is just this thing, but a bigger cut, so you can magnify. What these work good, or the only way they do work, is if they protrude from the license plate. If it's straight against it, it doesn't do anything. So you got to have a bubbled cover, and then you got to make it so it sticks to that. And this one's been satin clear coated on top of that. So I'm going to put it under the license plate, a little to the left, it disappears. And you could also take it another level. You make a little shield for it on the sides, made out of metal. You cut at the hardware store, and you can make it any length, and it kind of goes on the side. I'll show you what it looks like. A little too high. All over. Maybe I won't have to seal them together. Maybe I'll do one ring at the end, because it's really, see, the good thing about state I'm at is there's no front license plate. It's just the rear, so I don't have to worry about incoming wind. I just got to worry about the back of it, which is good. I don't have to worry about the wind. I think I'll paint this before I fold it into its configuration. I don't think I know. So that's what it's going to look like. Wear gloves when you do this. You will cut yourself badly. So that's the plan. We'll see what we got here. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna give it a try. And that's it from the side. That's what I use, and I haven't been hassled at all. And there's a speed camera pretty close to where I live, and I'm always going way too fast. And I've seen the flash go off, but I never got a ticket. So I know that one works, at least for the speed camera. So you can pretty much make these yourself. You can buy the plastic license plate frame on Amazon. Look up magnifier sheets and get something that's probably twice this big, so it magnifies it even more. And if you want to do the metal, just take your license plate, piece of cardboard, make a little stencil, buy a piece of metal at the hardware store and just cut around it and bend it to shape, paint to match your car if you want to or not. I tried doing a different one with a privacy screen for a computer, which blurs the screen on the sides and above, but it's just too dark, I think. That's too dark, in my opinion. And if this one works, then why not just go with this one? Where's the license plate? Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Or if you got any good ideas, put it in the comments. On second thought, just looking at that, that's not too bad. I know you can't really see it on the camera, but in full light, let me see if I can. That's not too bad. I would rock that. Yeah, I think I will. Just looks better on that one. Let's see what it looks like. A brighter one. I think it's just got to be a bright license plate. I don't know about that one, but this one with the yellow. Yeah, I think I will. Alright, that's another idea. You can try that if your license plate is bright enough. And it's just off Amazon. It's just a premium screen protector. It's like for a laptop. And I just cut it with scissors and put a frame around it. Yeah, alright. That's another option you guys got. Thanks for watching.